To pay with a credit card in the Play Store, start by opening the Google Play Store app on your device. Next, navigate to the Account section by tapping the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Payment Methods and then Add Payment Method. Choose credit or debit card as your payment method and enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure that the address associated with your credit card matches the address in your Google account. If not, update your Google account address to match the one on your credit card. After entering the required information, tap Save to add your credit card as a payment method. To verify the card, you may be charged a small amount, which will be refunded immediately. Once the card is verified, it will be added to your Google account as a payment method. To use this payment method, simply select it when making a purchase in the Play Store. Best practices include regularly reviewing your transaction history and ensuring that your credit card information is up to date. If your credit card is lost, stolen, or expired, remove it from your Google account to prevent unauthorized transactions. Paying with a credit card in the Play Store is a convenient and secure way to make purchases. Google Play Store uses encryption and secure servers to protect your credit card information, ensuring a safe and reliable transaction experience. By following these steps, you can easily add a credit card as a payment method in the Play Store and enjoy a seamless and secure shopping experience.